I'm on the way to Maiden, this Xclass Thor. I'm actually a little bit nervous because flying a 1 meter drone, you know, up to 100 miles an hour, pretty nerve-wracking, but I'll take it. So yeah, it's a beautiful day in Melbourne, Australia, and I'm driving down the coast to a little local spot that I fly to a lot. Bit of a nice open field, so I'll be able to do my thing and not have to worry too much about dog walkers or people walking by. I've got the beast in the back, the Xclass Thor, so this ought to be good. I think I'll take a drink. No sugar, Pepsi. So, sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and let's hope I don't plant this thing into the ground on the Maiden, because man, it's expensive. Okay, here we go. Bit of pit tuning, definitely need some pit tuning, but so far so good.